It's the Wine Wolf, and this is Making Wine with the Wine Wolf. Enjoy. Alright, it's the Wine Wolf, back again. Not doing a review today, actually. We're going to do a series on making wine. So last night I was harvesting some Pinot Gris and some Grenache grapes, and now we have to crush and destem them. For the Pinot Gris, which is a white one we'll start with, we'll crush and destem it. We will put it in the press the juice out, then let the juice settle overnight so all the solids fall down to the bottom, and then we'll separate the juice from the solids, and then we can start fermentation. But first, crushing. We got beautiful clusters here, very small berries here, and you know, just smash it and just rub like that. And it's just going to drop through the juice, the berry's going to drop through, and we're going to do that. Just keep the stems off. It's going to take a little while, but that was just a couple, so what if I do a bunch? I'm just going to do a little rubbing. So this is instead of having a big machine to do it, the cheap way. We just have this little milk crate here, and we're just kind of forcing it through. The stems are not going through. We want to leave the stems behind. There we go. So we're getting to the end of the Pinot Gris. We've crushed and destemmed a lot of it. All these stems over here, lots of juice and berries here. So we're just going to keep doing it, and then we'll take this, put it in the press, let the free juice run, and then we'll press out the excess juice from the berries. So yeah, kind of soothing, relaxing, mindless work, just crushing these. Enjoying it on a nice night with good temperature at the end of August. Not too much to complain about. Not too much to complain about. Nice little bunches. And these actually, these taste pretty good, very sweet. Got the seeds in them. The seeds don't taste overly tannic, so that's good. Good, right? Ah, feels beautiful. Beautiful crushed grapes. You got the juice and the skins. I'm going to press it out. I love to feel this. Sugary. Very sugary. And this is the free run juice from the Pinot Gris. Coming through the basket press. We haven't pressed it yet. This is just what's flowing through by itself. That's why it's called Pinot Gris, because originally, before fermentation and everything, it kind of has a gray color, gris, which is French for gray. So we're pressing the wine, using this basket press to squeeze those grapes together, pushing the juices out, falling out into my carboy. Getting that last little bit. Want to make sure we're not going to overpress it though. Just get enough.